Hello everybody, welcome back to the new video session. On previous video session we have understood the organization structure type, that is functional structure, the meaning, advantages, disadvantages, diagram as well as the suitability of functional organization or functional organization structure. Now we'll understand the second type of organization structure, that is divisional structure. Same, we have to understand the meaning, diagram, suitability, advantages and disadvantages. Divisional structure. Many organizations have diversified their activity. They are away from the simpler and the basic functional structure towards a divisional structures, which is more suitable to their activities. So here a divisional structure is includes of the functional structure. A work has been or activity has been divided into small divisions and assigned some functions to those divisions. So these two, divisional and the functional structures, are existing in the one organization, in a one organization. So this is particularly true of those enterprises which have more than one category of product to offer. So those organizations which will be dealing with so many product lines, for them it is suitable. So those organizations can start up with the divisional structure instead of the functional structure. Each division is multifunctional because within which each division functions like production, marketing, finance, purchase, etc. are performed together to achieve a common goal. Each division is self-contained as it is developed expertise in all the functions related to a product line. Each product line or each product will be having a production, marketing, finance, purchase. So these functional level departments are called, comes under as a functional structure. Similarly, for each product, a same functions will be assigned and the managing director of that division has to take care of each and every activities. In other words, within each division, the functional structures tends to be adopted. This, like as I already explained, these for divisional structure, it is includes of the functional structure. Each division will be having a different functions. So those functions they have to perform under a particular division. A division head is held responsible for all the activities carried out under that department or division. This is a diagram which you can understand here. A managing director. Products are cosmetics, garments, footwear, skincare. Here you can observe a garment will be having a functional structure, that is personal. You can call it as a HR manager or HR department, marketing, research and development, purchase. These all are called as a functional department. Similarly, for each product will be having a same functional department. So these are in a particular product line. So skincare, again production department, market department, finance department and purchase department, everybody will look into that particular skincare itself. So same thing for the footwear and the cosmetics. For each product, the managing director has a responsibility to take a decisions over these all kind of the product line. So if one product has failure, it is on the head of the managing director. He must be answerable to the top management. Advantages of divisional structure. Product specializations helps in the development of varied skills in a divisional head, and this prepares him for higher position. This is because he gains experience in all functions related to the particular product. A product specializations will make a person that managing director will be expert in a that particular area or the division. So that will make a person to be strong and to be capable and gain a skill. So that will be helpful for him for the higher position to get promotion. So this is because he gains the experience in all the functions, not only a particular functions, like he is not a manager for only the production department. He is the head of all the divisions of the product. So he has to take care, he has to act like a production manager, a marketing manager, a finance manager, as well as the HR manager. So he can gain a too much of knowledge which will be influence for his higher position. Divisional heads are accountable for profits as revenues and cost related to different departments can be easily identified and assigned to them. This provides a proper basis for performance measurement. It also helps in fixation of responsibility in case of poor performance of the division, and appropriate remedial action can be taken. Due to this a division, for example, a cosmetic division, if it is lacking for increasing the sales or profit, a managing director can concentrate more on the cosmetics because that division is facing a losses. It is easy for the managing director to evaluate other product line or other product or divisions. So you can easily identify which division is making a profit, which division is facing a loss. So he can take a decisions over that. And also it will be very important and very helpful for performance measurement. Those who has been assigned the activity related to the any one division, you can analyze their performance as well as the division performance. And also it is helpful for fixation of responsibility for in case of any poor performance by that division. So he can, managing director can take a decisions over that remedial, that what kind of the decisions are required to come up with the instead of losses profit. Next, it promotes flexibility and initiative because each division functions as an autonomous unit, which leads to faster decision making. So flexibility, these are independent divisions. So they can take a decisions over that. So for that reason they call it as a autonomous unit or divisions. So they can take a decisions fastly. It facilitates the expansion and growth as new divisions can be added in without interrupting the existing operations by merely adding another division's head and staff for the new product line. Here, it will make a organization to concentrate on a division wise or the product line wise. Suppose if you want to add a new product, you can create a new division and concentrate over that and take a decisions related to only that division. You need not to mingle the employees from one division to the another division. So this will help the organization to expand and grow their business by adding a new features, that new divisions in their product line. Disadvantages of divisional structure. Conflict may arise among different divisions with reference to allocation of funds, and further a particular division may seek to maximize its profits at the cost of other division. So here, suppose a one division is doing good and another division is not performing good. If the manager appreciated to that division, and a manager shout on that division which is not making a profit and not doing a proper work, the employees involved in that divisions will get a conflict. So they may not be ready to involve in any decisions related to the business. So that will reduces the profit of the organization. So when it is related to the allocation of fund, that division which is doing a good profit and they are very excellent in their performance, if you allocated a more fund, the division which is not getting a more fund will get a conflict. They will start fighting each other. So this will create a problem, means issues in the organization. It may lead to increase in cost since there may be a duplication of activities across products. Providing each divisions with a separate set of similar functions increases the expenditure. For example, a cosmetic department will be having that division will be having a all functional departments. They are doing the same task what the other departments are doing, like skin care. So what will happen in that situation? You need to perform the similar task twice or fourth time. If you have the product line, that is 4. So similar tasks doing rapidly will create a expenditure that will increase the expenditure. It is add on to the cost. So division structure, if you think the product according to the product you want to make a department, means divisions, and under that the departments of all the functional level, so it will create a problem related to the cost. So if you want to reduce the cost, you should not be go with the divisional structure. It provides managers with the authority to survive supervise all activities related to a particular division. In course of time, such a manager may gain the power, and in the bid to assert his independence may ignore the organizational interest. A managing director is only concentrating towards the his authority, his responsibility, that I must show a good result in my division. So he will give more concentration over only the suitable division to him. Directly he will ignores the organization interest. So that will create a problem for the organization to bring a unity in the direction where it is suitable. Divisional structure is suitable for those business enterprises where a large variety of products are manufactured using different productive resources. When an organization grows and needs to add more employees, create more departments, and introduce a new levels of management, it will be decided to adopt a divisional structure. So the organizations which will be having a so many product line, they can adopt a divisional structure in their organization. And also if they want to increase their employees and create a more department, they can introduce a new levels of the management. Better they can go with the divisional structures instead of functional structure. This completes the topic. If you have any doubts related to the division structure, you can reach us by the WhatsApp. Thank you.